Okay, Paul again here on EMD Motorsport at Caring about got this Porsche Macan here I'm working on. So we just finished putting everything back together for the actual CarPlay. The CarPlay is actually full stripped down the PCM, and then I put a new circuit board in there. This is it there. But I'm gonna show you what I found. The actual parking sensors. The customer was complaining about the parking sensors. I'll show you what I mean. Parking sensors is here. That one there, the box there is parking sensors. This morning today I had to actually check the wiring harness underneath. That was actually to make sure it's connected from the panel shop. That is connected, but because it was shorted, something happened and shorted the actual harness. I've checked the wiring, checked the signal, checked the actual signal from the wiring to the ECU, power wire, earth wire, and the actual sensor wire. Check that, that's all fine. All I'm going to do, and then you narrow it down to the actual control unit, and the control unit is the faulty part. So that part there is the control unit for this one here. That one there is the control unit for the actual Macan, for the park assist. So I've got a spare one here myself, I use for testing. So now I'm going to give this to one of my workers to hold it. They can hold this there on the actual screen there, maybe about there. So you can see if I go now it's showing up parking at the rear. You can see it there. I'm going to go in the middle. So the parking is working. So I'm going to the front as well. Make sure the front works. The front's working as well. So after all that test I done, I found the ECU was faulty, so now it's working. And now I just finished taking this cover off as well to install this properly. So now the mirror is on properly now, so it's not going to fall off. Usually when you move up and down it will just fall off. So now we're going to go back to park, and then the radio is all back together now. Before it was all in pieces. And now we're going to go into the actual CarPlay. Press the info for 3 seconds, and there's your CarPlay there. So my phone was connected to this CarPlay, that's why it's like that. But when you have an iPhone, it will be a different CarPlay screen. So we're going to try to connect the iPhone. So we're going to connect the CarPlay now. So press connect. Continue, and then what we're going to do now is just hold this in. We'll go into CarPlay there. There you go, CarPlay. We don't even have to do anything. So you just got to connect to the CarPlay unit, and you're pretty much CarPlay. Whatever you got maps. All the maps are there now. I'll go back to home, and that's your screen. And you can actually play your music for your phone. You can stream your music and whatever you want to do. But that's your CarPlay on a Porsche Macan. It's a lot of work to get to there, but everything has to come out, and then wiring must be done properly inside the actual circuit board. Yeah, it's not really something that's very easy, but we got it done. So now we're gonna order some. We're gonna do the service, look at the service, and then we're gonna get a second-hand part. See if we can find a second-hand part or a new part from Porsche for the park sensors. And I'm gonna try to put that trim on. That trim on there, back to here. That's a bit of a mission, that one, because it's very tight in there on the roof liner, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.